Hello guys, this is Gio, and today I'm gonna pick the ASSA Twin V-10. That lock was sent to me by Dan Brass. I just received it, and it has no keys. So I've been playing around with it a little bit, trying to get the feel for the sidebar, and I cannot find my tension wrench. God fuck. Merde, putain, elle est où? Okay, there. Yeah, so yeah. Fuck. Get here. Okay, so let's try to catch my first open on camera. Alright, so pins bind first here. The driver pins are barrels, not gins. Okay. Right. I don't feel any springiness now, so that must mean all the driver pins are probably, maybe one or two are set, but I'm pretty sure some of them are just caught on in the countermilling. So I'm trying to release a little bit of tension and try to force the pins out of the countermilling. And so far I don't feel anything right now. Oops. Right, 5, 6. I want to make sure I set them all before going to the sidebar. I don't want to jungle between the two. Not jungle, not the right word I'm looking for. Okay, so now let's try to get the sidebar if it's binding. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is binding, small click, it wiggles, so 3 is good. 2, 3, 4, 5 is binding. Alright. 5 I think is set now. 1, 2, 2 is binding. Okay, 2 is good. 1 is binding. Okay, 4 now. One again, 1 is binding. Alright, 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good. 4. Right, so I think 1 fell down. 2. Okay, 1. is good. 2 is good. 3. 5 is good. I think I'm gonna try to get 4 with this. Kind of hard to make it fit inside. All right. Okay, 1 is binding very strongly. It's binding very strongly. God. Shit, fuck. I'm gonna try to get it like a normal pin. Ah, shit, it's still binding. And there we go, we open. Yes! ASSA Twin V-10. Oops. My first open. That was quite quick. Alright, shit. Now I need to put it back. Shit, what am I doing? Oh. God damn. Oh, well, that's alright. Let's get it like this. Okay. So. Let's zoom in here, focus. There we go. Alright. So. Yeah, ASSA Twin V-10. Not too bad. Very fun lock to pick. The sliders, not sliders, the fingerpin give very good feedback. I mean, it's a very, very fun pick. There we go. Oops, some springs. All right. Now let's dump the drivers. All barrels, as you can see. And now we can, I think, safely remove the plug. Now first I'm gonna dump the key pins. Oops. Come on. What? Oh shit. That one. 3, 4. The bitting is not very interesting, unfortunately, but the keyway is large enough, as you have a lot of room to work with, so it's not very a problem. No, that one goes there. And there we go. Oh, forgot the finger pins. Focus. Up. And there we go. Sidebar groove here. This is the sidebar. Oops, with a. Oops, where is it? Yeah, very. Yeah, I have to look at this. At it like this. Very high cut on number 4 here, if you can see it. Alright, this is a sidebar, and tiny springs and the finger pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, et 5. There we go. Finger pin springs, I'm just gonna dump them there. This is sidebar springs, alright, and we should see, yeah, there we go. So counter milling for the barrel driver pins. That makes them snatch quite hard. It's not as effective as for the jeans, but there you go. Alright, ASSA Twin V-10, pick and get.